Okay, so in this situation, we have a watch that has increased in price by 20%. We know that the price after it's increased is £198, but we don't know what the price was before. Now we're trying to find what the original price was. So if the price is increased by 20%, it means we've multiplied the original price by 1.2. This is the percentage multiplier. This increases whatever this price was by 20%. If we were increasing it by 30%, we times it by 1.3. If we're increasing it by 40%, we times it by 1.4. If it was something like 16%, we times it by 1.16. So this is always the percentage multiplier for increasing. Now, if we want to go backwards and find what the original price was, we have to do the inverse operation of that. So instead of multiplying this way, to go backwards, I have to divide by exactly the same number. So I'm dividing by my percentage multiplier, which in this case is 1.2. Now, if I divide 198 by 1.2, I should get my original price. So 198 divided by 1.2 is equal to 165. I can put this into my calculator. So the original price was £165. And we can check this is correct because 20% of 165 is the same as 33. And if we add 33 to this, we get to 198. So we see we go forwards and backwards. So in the second example, we have a car and the price is decreased by 20%. So we know the new price after it's been decreased, but we don't know the original price. If we want to decrease by 20%, the new percentage multiplier is going to be 0.8. We take whatever the percentage is away from 1. So if we were decreasing by 30%, we'd have a percentage multiplier of 0.7. If we were decreasing by 50%, we'd have a percentage multiplier of 0.5. If we're decreasing by 60, we'd have 0.4. So we're going to take that away each time. Now, like with the other one, we want to do the inverse operation of that. So instead of multiplying by 0.8, we're going to divide by 0.8. So my calculation becomes 720 divided by 0.8. So therefore my new original price before I decreased it was £900. As long as you know what you're doing going forwards, you can figure out how we would go backwards.